How to clean straps from Oculus Quest 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can actually clean your straps from your Oculus Quest. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to clean your straps from Oculus Quest, so maybe you're trying to remove this, well, you can actually only clean the straps which you see and separate it from the headset. But if you try to clean it just like this, there is a high chance that your headset is going to get some liquid and as a result is going to get damaged eventually, so you don't really want to do that. So in order to remove it, first of all, we're going to get started with two sides. All right, so you can see on the right hand side there's a simple fine line between the strap and the headset. So basically this is what separates the strap from the headset, right? You just need to go ahead and then actually slide this open just like that, and now you can see it has been opened wide, and there's really nothing for you to be worried about because it just makes that sound, but you can see this is perfectly fine. And now you can remove for the other side as well. As you can see, just pop this out open, and then once you've done that, you would have successfully removed this specific strap from your headset. Now as for the upper part, you can just go ahead and then actually remove this one and then just slide open this. Now you can also actually remove the controllers and then this wire, this little thing of over your Oculus controller. To do that, just you can see this kind of space, right? Just hold it, hold your palm, and then just slide it upwards like this. So let me do that, and now you can see it's been opened up. Now you can go ahead and even remove this specific part over here by just pressing this button in this case. And that's it on how you can go ahead and then remove straps or clean them on Oculus. Now you can use it to wash it on any type of detergent, or you can just use it with a soap and water, because these are basically clothes. There's really nothing for you to be worried about. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.